Welcome to Joanna Adventures. Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll never miss a video ever again. And we are going to be eating an exotic star fruit. And did you know that they're also native to Southeast Asia? Here, I'll tell you what happens when you cut it. They'll actually turn into stars. See this? Yeah, that's why they're called star fruit. Yeah, we gotta trim off the brown part. You can also eat everything. Yes, there are seeds in this. That doesn't really look like a star. Oh yeah, it does. Yep, this is what cut star fruit. Make sure there's still some left.
We'll bag up some.
Okay. Yes, I'm also taking this to my school for lunch. Alright, so this is star fruit. Doesn't it look... it smells good. So 3, 2, 1, and... This is delicious. Wasp. There's a wasp right there.
What's it taste like?
Tastes like... I don't know. Wasp just went into the car.
Almost like an apple.
Yeah. It's like a sour apple. This is delicious. Thanks for watching. Maybe you could get some. I got these from Food Lion.